Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO A98 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's open first the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. The first thing which you'll see, this is the silent mode switcher. You could turn on or turn off silent mode with a click on the switcher. How you could see, when the silent mode is activated, all of our medias, ringtones and notifications, they will be muted. Well, let's just turn off the silent mode and now we could see that they will ring. As you can see, that's so simple to check. Okay, our medias, they will ring on the notifications and the ringtones. If you want to use the vibration on silent or in ring mode, you could also use the switcher. In down the start mode, we got here the switcher which you could use to activate or turn off the down the start mode, the schedule section to set the start, the end time of the DND mode, and to allow some messages, calls, notifications from many people or apps. And here we got also the ring for repeated call switcher and silence media in down the start mode switcher. Let's go back. Here we got media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels, so we could use them just by this way. We could change here the volumes by swipe to the left or to the right side these blue dots. As you can see, by this way we could do that. Here we got the ringtone and notification sounds, we could change them. Here we got the real sound technology, we could smart it from smart to movie, game or music. Let's go back, and in haptic and tones we could activate or turn off the system haptics, the dial pad tones, screen lock unlock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion and touch sounds. So by this way. And let's go back. In more section we got more volume button functions, so now with the help of the volume buttons we'll change the media. Now let's switch it to the ringtone and we'll change the ringtone. And in default device we could switch out to select option 2, the use peripheral device, and to activate or turn off the in-ear monitoring option. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our OPPO phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.